Welcome everyone. Let's begin our practice by sitting comfortably on our mat with your legs crossed, your hands gently resting on your knees, the palms facing up. Relax your shoulders, relax your neck, sitting straight, the back elongated, your chest open, closing your eyes. And let's start by taking a deep inhale into the nose and a deep exhale out. Take one deep inhale into the nose and one deep exhale out. Observe your breathing for a few moments. How is your breathing today? Is it going fast or is it slow? How is your body moving with your breath? Are you breathing mainly with your chest? Or are you breathing from the abdomen? Simply observe your breathing. As we tend to forget during the busy day, but our breath is a powerful tool to connect with our body, to feel our body from within with each breath that we take in, feeling the breath to go into our lungs and fueling all of our cells and tissue with fresh air, oxygen, and nutrients. Feel the air coming in, bringing the energy, the vital force for our body to thrive and stay alive. We forget how we breathe. We forget our body breathing. But when we take even a few moments to reconnect to our breath, we can find stillness and calm within. Feeling our body working every minute and every second so that we stay healthy. We don't even need to think about breathing or staying alive. So just take this moment for a few more breaths to ground yourself into your body, to ground yourself into the present moment, and to welcome in your body fresh energy. And with every exhalation, releasing anything that you no longer need. Whether this is physical tension, or emotional tension. Just breathe it out. Slowly bring your awareness back to your body, back to this room where you are. Take one last inhale in and one last exhale. And slowly open your eyes to begin this practice. Let's start today in standing. So stand in front of the mat. And with the inhale, bring both of the arms up toward the sky, open yourself, and exhale, complete forward bend. Bend your knees. Inhaling, bringing the right foot back. Bring the knee to the floor. Inhale, low lunge, arms up. Exhale, both hands on the floor. Bringing the left foot back, go into Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, lift the right leg up toward the sky, bend your right knee, and bring the right foot in between your hands. Inhale, high lunge. Taking one deep inhale in, and with the next exhale, bring your upper body forward, as if you're bringing the chest towards your knees. Extend both of the arms. The left leg is strong. And exhale, bringing both of the hands down. Go into plank. Taking a moment here. Inhale into the navel area and exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Take a breath here, lift your hips, lift your thighs, open your chest, and exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Lengthen your legs, lengthen your back. Inhale, bringing both of the legs to the front. Exhale, complete forward bend. Inhale, bringing both of the arms up toward the sky. And exhale, hands at the heart center. Inhale, open your arms up toward the sky. Exhale, complete forward bend, hands down. In the next inhale, you will bring the left foot to the back. Bring your knee on the floor. Inhale, arms up, looking up. And exhale, hands to the floor. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Straighten your back and arms. In the next inhale, bring the left foot up. Bend your left knee and bring the left foot in between your hands. Inhale, high lunge. And exhale, bringing your chest closer to your knees. Arms extended. Your legs are strong. Back straight. Exhale, hands to the floor. Bringing the left foot back, go into plank. Inhale and exhale, feel the core, arms strong. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. And exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Take a breath here. And slowly walk to the front of the mat with both of your legs. Exhale, complete forward bend. Inhale, arms up toward the sky. Exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale, arms toward the sky. Exhale, hands to the floor. Inhale, lift the back knees down. And now open your right arm up toward the sky while your left hand is grounded on the floor. This is a great side stretch. Allow your chest to open. And tuck your left toe and lift your left knee if you can go into a high twisted lunge. And now come to warrior two. And this time bringing your right hand at the inner part of your right foot, extend your left arm, and now extend both of the arms up. Your right knee is bent at a 90 degrees angle, left heel grounded on the floor, both of the arms strong and toward the sky. And exhale, bringing both of the hands down, go into plank. And let's go into low plank by bringing the elbows down, creating a straight line with your legs and your upper body, strengthening your arm, strengthening the core. Go back to high plank. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Take a moment now to catch your breath, to feel the energy and the heat generated in your body. Walk to the front of the mat. Exhale, complete forward fold. Inhale, both of the arms up toward the sky. Welcome the air in into your body and hands down at the heart center. Let's go on the other side. Inhale, bringing both of the arms up. Exhale, hands down. Inhaling this time, right leg back, knees down, and bring the left arm extended up toward the sky, right hand grounded on the floor, allowing a gentle twist in the abdominal area, looking up, and lift your knees up from the floor, opening your chest, opening your upper body while both of your legs are strong. And now come to warrior two, ground the right heel on the floor, extend into extended side angle, and bring both of the arms up. Inhale, bring to the muscles. Exhale, releasing both of the hands down. Go to plank pose and go back to elbow plank. And this time we will go into dolphin plank. So from this posture, you will slowly lift your hips up toward the sky. And with the exhale, go to plank. Inhale up. Exhale, go to plank. Inhale up. So you will repeat this for a few times to really strengthen the arms, the shoulders, the back, and the core. And stay in elbow plank for a few more breaths, breathing into the core, and go to high plank. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Lengthen your back, lengthen your arms. Taking a deep breath here. And walk your legs to the front of the mat. Exhale, come seated on the mat. So make sure that you're sitting on your sitting bone. And now extend both of your legs to the front, arms straight in this boat posture. Inhaling into the navel and bend your knees. Slowly lie down on the floor by bringing your back against your mat and extend both of your legs. Inhale, bring the arms above your head. Exhale, bend both of your knees and extend both of your legs now to the sky. Holding this posture, a beautiful 90 degrees angle with your lower body and upper body. feeling the great toning in the abdominals. Now lower your legs to 45 degrees angle. Really keep the legs strong and extended here, opening up your upper body. And again, lower a little bit. Your feet are still up. Don't touch the floor. Deep inhale in. Exhale. And release your hand. Now let's relax into our final posture, Shavasana. So keeping your legs slightly apart, arms by the side of your body. Close your eyes here for a moment. And let's finish this practice by first feeling the energy throughout your body. Relax every muscles of your body now, especially the muscles of the abdomen, the muscles of your legs. Allow them to relax completely, releasing any tension or stress down to the ground. You're welcome to relax further in this posture. Otherwise, if you're ready to come back with me, bend your knees, roll to one side of your body, and slowly come back seated with your eyes closed, keeping your back straight, your hands gently resting on your thighs. Bring both of your hands at the heart center. Feel your body again, connecting to your breath, connecting to your inner silence. And bring gratitude to your health, to your practice today. Slowly bow down to the floor and inhale, come back and open your eyes. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope you feel good, and I will see you soon. Namaste.